Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install UKG for employee tax forms workflow, beginner guide step by. To begin installing UKG for your employee tax forms workflow, ensure you have administrative access to your organization's UKG account. Log into your UKG account using your credentials. Navigate to the Settings section from the main dashboard. Locate the Integrations or Add-ons tab. Select Employee Tax Forms Workflow from the list of available integrations. Click on the Install or Enable button next to the Employee Tax Forms Workflow option. A prompt may appear requesting confirmation. Follow the instructions to proceed with the installation. After the installation is complete, return to the main dashboard. Look for the Tax Forms or Employee Tax Forms section. Click on it to access the configuration settings. Set up the necessary tax form types required by your organization. Input the relevant details for each form, including deadlines and specific requirements. Save your changes before exiting the configuration settings. Next, go to the User Management section to assign roles and permissions. Ensure that all relevant employees have access to the tax forms. Communicate any necessary training or guidelines for employees to complete their tax forms. Revisit the dashboard and run a test to ensure the workflow is functioning smoothly. Monitor the system for any issues or feedback from users during the initial rollout. Make any adjustments as needed to optimize the process. Your UKG installation for the Employee Tax Forms workflow is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.